These are the best concrete tools that you need to start using, and they're called screed chairs.
Screed chairs are used to create a temporary screeding rail to screed off of, saving you time and money. It takes out the guesswork and gives you perfectly level flat work or footings. No more pounding in 2x4s and having to remove them later. Screed chairs are really easy to use. Set your string length to grade and then pound in 18 to 24 inch length, half inch or 5/8 inch rebar next to the string. Then use our grade tool to set the height of your rebar or measure 2.5 inches down if you are using a 2-inch pipe or a 2-inch flat bar. Set your screed chair and then on to the next one. Space them out about 3 feet apart and then use a 2-inch outside diameter pipe, or for our flat bar model, use a 3/8 inch by 2-inch flat bar to screed off of. Slide the pipe down and fill in the groove left behind. Screed chairs are great to use when leveling sand and gravel, pouring next to buildings, big pads, and basement floors. This new screeding system saves you time and gives you a better, flatter finish. Visit screedchair.com to get Screed Chairs by Redline Manufacturing today and use code REDLINE at checkout to save 10% off your order. Also available on Amazon and eBay.